Welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of Canva, using YouTube, and Microsoft Clipchamp along with some Microsoft Designer and my personal artwork. Yup, that's right. From good old me. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss our upcoming tutorial. So, why should you care about this? This is how you make money. This is how you get higher on the ranks. This is how you're gonna make money, like this, by doing YouTube videos. I've tried everything else, and it doesn't work. So don't let anybody else fool you, cause they're full of you know what. You've gotta make content. Videos, videos, videos. Next, I have a question. So, do you think YouTube and Canva can have a love affair? Well, I sure do, because I know how to make it, now after months of trying everything else. So, let's go. We're just gonna throw some Microsoft Clipchamp on top of it to blend it all. Using Canva is like the creative Swiss Army knife. It's versatile, user-friendly, and packed with design goodies. Of course, add YouTube. Well, what else can I say? It's the bomb. This is the final touch. It's the stage where your content shines. Let's blend these two on top with Canva, Clipchamp, and YouTube. And we're going to have a threesome. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will have the next video coming soon. Support those new content creators so we all can make money.